guys, it is currently 12:17 in the morning. Please. At 12:17 in the morning. I have school today. Today's pajama day. What am I doing with my life? I should be in bed right now. I go to bed at 8:30. Like, what am I doing with my life? So I'm gonna be late for school tomorrow. Sucks. I had bags under my eyes or something. God, I look tired. But yeah, it is really late. Really late, guys. God, I'm so pissed from that. It's my new Five Nights at Freddy's poster I got for Christmas. It's so creepy. He's like, Freddy's all like, I'm gonna get you, I'm gonna kill you. I've been watching Five Nights at Freddy's videos, all my FNAF 4 videos, which are really scary, and Five Nights at Candy's 3 Markiplier demo, which that's really creepy. The rat, I keep on thinking it's like gonna come in here, but I'm not sure. Animatronics are not real. Well, yeah, some of them can be. Most of them cannot, like, be deadly, like those guys, FNAF. I actually kind of like that poster because Bonnie's like, guys, I'm ending it here. I'm so creepy.